So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share as well as Tata Motor share. So many people are having doubt regarding Tata Power. So previously when we have discussed about Tata Power, so we have discussed that CNBC has given an update regarding Tesla partnershiping with Tata Power in order to establish charge stations. But later Tata Power has told that officially nothing has been confirmed, but they are at initial stage. So many people have not read the statement properly, so they are at initial stages but officially not confirmed. So Tata Power is very good stock, so don't try to compare with all the news and try to affect it. So don't panic also if you're already invested. So that's why I told two major stocks that need to be in your watch list. One is Tata Power, another one is Adani Power. So these two stocks would be benefited especially with respect to power generation sector. Okay, so and Tata Motors also will do the technical analysis as well as volume analysis. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you have any personal doubts regarding any share and if you want any separate video analysis, you can message me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So now let's get started with Tata Power and Tata Motors. Okay, so let's quickly go to the update so that you'll have a clear picture. So you can say that our EV charging businesses are constantly examining and exploring various growth opportunities of the business. So no arrangement or agreements have been finalized as reported in the media. So CNBC, we know the channel for rumors. So basically some rumors have been spreaded. So we can't say completely rumors. So still they are under progress but not finalized. So that is what I told. They're in talks with Tesla, but they are at initial stages, but no agreements have been finalized. So that is the major thing. So stock, nothing will be reflected majorly. It is already not that volatile stock. So little correction if it happens also, we can try to add at that particular dips as well. So power sector at any point of time will give you good return, especially Tata Power as well as Adani Power. Okay, so previously also apart from this Tata Power, what CNBC has told earlier about Tata Motors as well. So that type of rumors have come regarding Tesla partnership. So that time also Tata Motor has rallied, but again did it correct heavily? No, again it has slightly corrected. Again it has continued that particular rally. It may halt for a certain period of time. It may consolidate, but you need to take it as a opportunity rather than selling. Don't do selling. Try to accumulate. Future will be there, profits will be generated. Since potential is there, then why to worry? If there was no potential, definitely even if rumors are there, that time it would correct. Since potential is present, therefore you need not panic much regarding these fundamentally strong stocks. Okay, so if you see volume analysis of Tata Power, so you can see the traded quantity has increased considerably on that particular day. So when the update has come itself, so volatility has increased. So from 1110 rupees, it has tried to go to even 116. So later it has settled near 115. So this traded quantity implies volatility in the market. So heavy buying, selling was also seen. So 5%, it has closed with 5% positive movement. And if you see deliverable quantities have also increased considerably as compared to weekly averages as well as monthly averages. So since deliverable quantities are increasing, so traded quantity is not that a matter. Okay, so next when we discuss about Tata Motors, so Tata Motor is one stock. Okay, so little it was highly volatile basically. So it has even though sustained the 310 rupees level very well. It is fluctuating between 310 340. So between those regions it is fluctuating. It's moving up, it's coming down, it's okay, but it's trading near the level. So that is very important. So if you see trading traded quantity is also little moderate, not that heavy, and similarly not very less. So deliverable quantities are flat, we can say rough, not much deliverable quantities, and in similar way moderate deliverable quantities seen, which is also little positive. So now let's go to technical charts, which are very important. There we'll try to understand what are the supports and resistances. Okay, so when we see money flow index and RSI, these are the two indicators that basically we use. This is for Tata Motors. So you can see that roughly it's near 54.2 and one is near 54.6. So which signifies it is in the mid range. So further potential will be indicated depending upon the market condition. So if market is also little, we can say on the positive side. So definitely Tata Motors also will start reversing. Okay, so when we see little towards Tata Power, so you can see that it is in little overbought region. So obviously, so when we discuss near 80 rupees, 90 rupees level, so after that it has started going up because continuous momentum was there. Focus was on there on electric vehicle segment, so that's why it has given some good movement. Later again, when we revised near 105, again our short-term target was 115. So again it has reached those levels. So ultimately, stock also goes into overbought region. But you should not panic, as I told earlier also, potential is there, implies you need to accumulate and try to average. So these are all basic things. Technicals are secondary. Primary thing is fundamentals and analyzing the stock carefully. Okay, so now let's go to technical charts. Okay, so this is Tata Power chart. So this is 1 day chart. So clearly you can see 1 day chart, it was facing the resistance near the 115 rupees level. So already on Friday itself, it was trying to go up, but something was stopping it. That was market. So market also was from positive to negative side. It has shifted because of various reasons in the global markets, whether it may be US bond yields. So various factors have affected this. And also when it even though it has gone to 1110 again the buying pressure has come. Again it has gone to 115 and it has closed there. So what is the immediate resistance? So immediate resistance is 115. Okay, what is the support? So 110 is one support. After that we'll have 108. Okay, so these are the two supports. So resistance is 115. So you should break that and it should give closing above it. So then only we can significantly confirm that in the coming days it will continue the momentum. So 1110 and 108 are best levels. If you want to try, you can try, as well as 105 is also very good level. So that would be the best buy for long term if you're not invested. And if you want to try to average, so focus on those levels to average. So money flow index wise, we told still momentum is there. Even if it corrects, we discuss the level. So take it as an opportunity and start accumulating. Okay, in 1 week chart also we can see a bullish momentum has been continued. So continuous uptrend was seen. So when continuous uptrend happens, so little correction is also necessary. So without that we can't enjoy the rally. So 115 here also same thing, nothing changed. So that is the major resistance. So if it breaks that in the coming weeks, then definitely the bullish momentum will continue. Okay, so next when we discuss about Tata Motors, so Tata Motors has closed near 317. So that is what I was telling, it was fluctuating in the region. So if you see this region where it was fluctuating, so one is 350 is the resistance, 310 is the support. So between 310 and 350 it has been fluctuating. So again it will try to go up. So immediate we can take short term or swing trade, we can take targets as 340. So 340 would be the swing target. So currently it's present near the support. So clearly you can see, so draw the trend lines accordingly and you will see that it is present at the support and it is trading here. So 310 would be a strict stop loss if you're doing any swing trade. So money flow index also you can see it is in mid range. It implies it may go up as well. So see market condition how it is on Monday and trade accordingly. Okay, so this is about Tata Motors. So let's see even in 1 week chart and then we'll conclude the video. Okay, so in 1 week chart you can see little it is forming a pole and flag type pattern. So clearly you can see after a huge movement it has now started consolidating little bit. So you can take the bottom as 310 and the top as 350. So if it breaks 350 again, extreme momentum would be generated and 400 can be easily be achieved in Tata Motors. So definitely hold patiently. So everything is good only if any news factor or anything is present, so that majorly may not affect the stocks. So but keep a note on global markets as well, especially US bond yields, COVID cases. So all these try to keep a note if you're investing in heavy amounts. So majorly if you're a long-term investor, you'll not be affected anything. Okay, so hope the levels are clear. So further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section or Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye-bye.